Hi, I'm Stephen Webster. I'd like to welcome you to 13 Max Forman Court in Como. If you know anything about Max Forman Court, you know this premium located cul-de-sac rarely has homes come on the market. So this is your opportunity to secure a quality boutique builder's home that's been built to stand the test of time. So come on in, enjoy your tour. Hi, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed your tour of 13 Max Forman Court in Como. As you can see, this is a home you have to see in person to really appreciate how well built it was by the boutique builder Corniche. For more details about the property, please call my mobile. And as you know, the next viewing time is on the Burke's website.